In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Whop customer support. If you need help with your account, a purchase, or a general question about using Whop, the support option is easy to find once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can reach out with confidence and get the assistance you need. To begin, go to the Whop homepage. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to get oriented. You want to make sure you're on the main Whop site before looking for support options. Starting from the homepage is helpful because it gives you access to the platform's main navigation, which is where the Help section is located. Next, look for the Help option and click on it. This is the area designed for users who need guidance, answers, or direct support. Depending on how the site appears on your device, the Help button may be in a menu along the side or somewhere visible on the page. If you don't immediately see it, pause for a second and scan the navigation carefully. On some screens, especially mobile devices, menus can be slightly condensed. After you open the Help section, click on Send as a message. This step is important because it takes you from general help resources into direct communication. Instead of only browsing articles or suggested answers, you'll be opening a messaging option that allows you to contact support more personally. This is usually the best choice if your issue is specific to your situation and you need a tailored response. Once the message window opens, go ahead and ask your question. Be as clear and specific as possible so the support team can understand the issue quickly. For example, you can briefly explain what you're trying to do, what went wrong, and any relevant details that might help them assist you faster. Keeping your message concise but complete can often lead to a better and quicker reply. Before sending, it's a good idea to quickly reread your message to make sure everything is understandable. If your issue involves an error, a transaction, or a product on the platform, describing the problem in simple terms will make the conversation smoother. And that's it. You simply go to the Whop homepage, open Help, choose Send as a message, and then type your question. Following these steps will let you get in touch with Whop customer support in a straightforward way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reach the right support channel quickly and easily.